Hello and welcome to CS Passionate. In this video, we are going to learn classification. Let us start with an introduction of classification task. It is used to define a category or a class to which the data belongs. As it is a type of supervised learning, it has some input X, and based on that input, machine needs to classify or categorize that input and predict a label Y. For example, see this image. While building our model, we need to predict whether the image is a parrot or not. Here, an image is an input feature vector X, and our label Y is parrot or not a parrot. There are different types of classification: multi-class classification, multi-label classification, and binary classification. Let's start with binary classification. It is very simple. It has only two types of label data, such as whether the male is palm or not, image is parrot or not, something like value of y, that is our output or label, is either 0 or 1. Let's move to multi-class and multi-label classification. Sometimes this both become ambiguous, but both are different. In multi-class classification, we have more than two classes. For example, in grain, wheat, rice, millet, etc. are different classes. In this type of classification, each sample has one and only one label. That is, it is mutually exclusive. In our example of grain, with one sample of rice is rice at a time. It does not have two labels, rice and wheat. It is multi-class classification. Now let's see multi-label classification. There are multiple labels for classification task. These labels are not mutually exclusive. For example, movie Interstellar is mystery and drama type of movie, so it has two labels at a time. This is multi-label classification. There are some algorithms listed below to perform classification task. In next video, we will work on algorithms. Till then, bye bye and have a great day.